more money, less miles. That's what I want everybody to focus on. Making more money, driving less miles. Let's get it. Good morning. Yes, sir. Man, I love this Z Flip 3. It's just perfect for DoorDash. So let's go ahead and start our app up and we're gonna see what we get. And that Galaxy Z Flip 3 come in handy. First order of the day, high priority, Panera. $7, what's that? $7 for 3.3 miles? Let's get it. I'll take that all day long. But what's up, y'all? I love it when I get a great order to start the day off. Let's go ahead and get these wheels rolling. There, they building a Chipotle right there. So you know your market. It's gonna be all money to make them, all pickups from that Chipotle, and it's close to the crib. Let's get it. $7 what was shown. Let's see what we get. $7 stays $7. That's okay. Let's see if we get something good next. Got that first order dropped off. It was a hand to me, so you know, gotta make sure you got your DoorDash match when it's a hand to me, cause yeah, I ain't trying to catch nothing. But as soon as I drop that one off, I got another Panera order, and I'm already back over here, so we're gonna head in and get this one grabbed. Next order of the day, we got $9.75 for 7.2 miles. Let's see if the widget pop up, and I can't see what the subtotal on that one is. Now the only bad thing about this order is it might be a little wait because Ramen Fuji is notoriously slow. But hopefully this order got declined a few times and they already got started on it. Let's see, we got a pickup time of, let's see, we got 1:32 pickup time and it's 1:29 right now. So we're not looking too bad right there. Just got that Ramen Fuji order picked up and I'm heading to the delivery. And I wanted to touch on this topic real quick. So the topic I want to touch on is more money for less miles. So we all out here to make money, right? At least I know I am. And most of the people that watch this channel, you know, you trying to maximize. And I know you out there to make money, not just, you know, driving for the heck of it. So I think this is gonna be my third order of the hour. I'm sitting at $13 right now. This order was for $9. It may go up, may not, you know, that's neither here nor there. The thing is, total, I will have about $23, $24 for driving within that first hour for driving total round trip about 7 miles. So my thing is, you know, more money, less miles. That's the thing, because, you know, everybody don't get the same gas mileage, but the one thing we can all agree on is if you can make more money while driving the least amount of distance, then you're gonna be able to maximize no matter what kind of vehicle you got and what type of fuel efficiency you get on the said vehicle. So, you know, you always wanna make sure you analyzing very closely the miles to money ratio on each order you get and adding up your total miles for the day and for the week, and keeping track of them for tax purposes, so for one, but for two, to make sure that the amount of money that you making is good versus the miles that you drive to make that money, i.e. your miles to money ratio. Just got a Panera order, $9.33 for 2.8 miles. Gotta go ahead and accept that. So now I get to drop this one off and I got my next order already. Look at that, Grubhub sent me an add-on. $12.69 for an additional 9 miles. Not the perfect miles to money ratio, but guess what? I'm heading that way anyway. Hey, $9.75 what was shown, $10 what we got, not bad. Got a Grubhub, $9 and change for 3.7 miles. Then they sent me an add-on, $12.97. We can call that $13. So with both of these, we're looking at about $22 for a 12 mile round trip, and I might just multi-app too. Dash be playing games. Look at this, $5.50 for 2 miles, and they talking about that's high pay, high priority. That is not high pay. At least they don't got the nerve to say order will go up. They let you know that's what it is. But hey, I'm taking it anyway because I'm right here by Panera. I was gonna take something going that distance and that close anyways. But it's just funny how they say that that's high pay. Man, look like we got a $6 add-on, so this is gonna be a good hour. $6, 3 items at Denny's. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. It dropped off, I handed it to the customer. Let's go ahead and see how we did on that one. $9, let's get it. 6 what was shown, 9 what we got, let's get it. Next order of the day, we got us some little Pizza Hut action. Somebody ordered them a good old pizza from Pizza Hut, so we're gonna go ahead and hook them up. Alrighty, let's see what we get. $6.50 what was shown, $6.50 what we got. We got $7 for 3.3 miles of Teriyaki Madness. I'll take that. How you doing? I have an order. They said another Dasher picked up that order.
So since you arrive at the store and the order will be cancelled, you will be receiving the half guaranteed fee for your compensation here now.
Oh, okay. No biggie. I did call support. I was able to get half pay for that order, and I didn't have to cancel it myself, so that's always a plus. So the time is now 4 o'clock. I have been dashing since 1 p.m. so that's 3 hours of dash time. I have $22.02 on Grubhub, $44 some change on my first dash on DoorDash, and I have one order now, and it's gonna be my last order taking me back towards my house, and that's for $7.75. So totaling all those up, not counting any hidden tips that may or may not be on this order, we're looking at a total of $73. And if we divide that by 3 hours of work, that's $24.33 per hour. Let's go, run it up, stop playing with me, bro. We getting to this bag, we getting this money. If you enjoying these videos, make sure you hit your boy, make sure you leave me with a like and a subscribe, and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss no videos in the future. And don't forget, YouTube thinks this is the best video for you to watch, or this one over here. So go ahead and click on those next, and I'll catch you in the next one.